start the session?
Okay. I started recording this video.
Okay.
So we met at a time for few days ago. So if you again introduce yourself, then it would be better for us.
Sure, sir. Like I'm Ranjit Kumar Gupta. I'm from Faridabad, and I'm working professionals. I'm working in one of MNC companies as a software developer, and I'm working on automotive domain, right?
Mm.
So, and my hobby is to interact with the people, like understand their mindset and learning from them. And also, I would like to listen music and singing sometimes. Yeah, so that's a snapshot for me. So yeah, please
Okay.
tell me something about yourself.
Mm. I am Jamjul Haq. I am from West Bengal, and I belongs to police community. It has been 9 years. I have been working in this company in this field, and I try to run YouTube channel. Nowadays, I am learning this English language as well as I am boosting confidence. So for that, I created a YouTube channel, and you know that that's why I am very consistent in this journey. It is all about me, and I would like to ask question: how is your life, or how is your English journey going on, and any difficulty or any specialty did you get in your journey?
Yeah, that's nice. Actually, nice introduction you have. Like you are working as a policeman in West Bengal, you know. And if you actually would like to know about me, like my life is going smooth right now. And if you talk
Mm.
about my learning journey, learning English journey, it's fantastic. I just try to connect with different kind of people and also learn something from the different environment. When you talk with the different person, you would learn many things, right? So I am
Mm.
just
Mm.
coming on that way to learn or enhance our
Sir,
fluency and the knowledge as well,
are you from Delhi?
along with my job, right? Yeah.
Are you from Delhi? Delhi. Delhi.
Yes, I'm living in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what
So
do you think? Uh, Delhi's weather, and how is the Delhi's weather right now? It is very scorching or average heat is there.
are you talking about livelihood in Delhi? It's livelihood is Delhi's, right? That is expensive, you can say, and it depends upon that, like in which level you are going to invest, right? So if you are living in the society, then the livelihood would be much expensive. You know that I'm living in a society right now, and I'm living in the IT sector right now. So many people from the IT sector are living in that society. So we have to maintain our decorum also by living in the society. We have we are working in MNC companies. So the people from the MNC companies would like to maintain their lifestyles. So
Hmm.
it's really the race, like how do you are like living in the society, or in which way you are going to invest with them. Like we are living with the family, we have the child. So our main focus is to study of the child, right? So we
Hmm.
need to send to the child to good school. It's the most famous ambition, you can say, for every people, because that the study is very important for the students. So they are like sending their child to good schools they prefer. My
Hmm.
child is also going to one of the the third most means valuable school in Delhi. So my
Hmm.
child
It
is
is
going there. So
CBSE board
it's
or
expensive, you can say.
I ICSC. It is CBSE board or ICSC.
So your voice is low actually. I don't know why. The voice is
Okay.
very low.
I
Yeah, go
don't
ahead.
know now. Am I clear?
No, it's fine. Yes, now it is clear.
Hmm. So, in which school your son is
Okay, my
studying?
my
So it is
child,
it
yes, my
is
child
it
is
is CBSE board or ICSE board?
Yeah, yeah. My child is going to the CBSE board school, which is like DAB public school here nearby my home where I'm living here. So the schools is very expensive right now. You can see
Hmm.
that like they are giving the facilities, but the actually the fees is going increasing day by day. Every year
Hmm.
the school fees increase by 1.5 thousands, right? So
Hmm.
we have to leave. There is no other choice, right? We have
Hmm.
to face them. Like,
Yes, yes. So
but
with flow,
actually,
we have to
yeah,
go. Hmm.
yes, yes. Actually, but our ambition is to like study them in a good way, because
Hmm.
that in near future the competition would be very high, because of that like the world is changed, world order is changed in comparison to the study. Like the AI is coming right now, artificial intelligence, like we
Hmm.
can do each and everything through the AI. So AI and the coding is going so advanced,
Hmm.
so it requires good knowledge to the students.
Hmm.
So the students can be capable because of their study. So if they are going in right track, if they are like studying in a good order, then only they can achieve their goals, right?
Hmm.
And they can maintain their decorum on their high level, because of they can be the sync up with the technology. So actually it is very important for the parents also to understand all these things and provide them the good study to the students, to their children's
Children,
in the
children. Yes.
technological way.
In
Yeah,
which how old he is?
he's only he's in standard 4. One is studying standard 4 and one is studying in second class, right?
Hmm. They are
So, sir, are
they
you
are
living
very
in
young.
West Bengal, right? In which district
Hmm.
in West Bengal?
Now I am posted to Dinajpur district near Siliguri.
Okay, near Siliguri, right?
Hmm.
So,
But
actually, recent past and today's like you got the new chief minister in West
yes,
Bengal,
yes.
Subhendu Adhikari.
Yes, yes, Subhendu Adhikari. Yes,
Yeah.
I got new chief minister, and already Subhendu Adhikari took a oath. Okay, took a oath in this ceremony. So oath
Today
taking
was oath.
ceremony, uh, to
Yeah.
ceremony was what? Sorry, oath taking
Yes.
ceremony
Yes.
happened. Yes, morning time. Okay, already
Yeah. Yeah. At
it
11 o'clock.
is gone.
Yes. I
Hmm.
was seen in my TV. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, the very famous people were came there, gathered at
Hmm.
the which Medan? Parade Medan. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes,
have
sir.
seen. So, what do
And
you
all.
think? Like BJP government would provide some extra facilities to the people? What do you think?
Let's see what will happen. They made promise, so much
Uh,
promise before
yeah,
election.
yeah. Every leader is saying the same thing. Like we will do
Hmm.
development and all.
Hmm.
Yes, but let's
And
see what will happen next.
if they thought that I would not get a seat, so that's why they were making promise. But after that, they got seat. What will happen next? Let's see. Okay.
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. And
So, sir,
already
tell me,
PM also came here. Our Prime
PM
Minister
also
came
came
here
there.
in this
Yes, yes.
ceremony. Hmm.
Because that was so sensational. After 15 years, the Mamata Banerjee has gone.
Hmm.
Actually the government transition happens after 15 years. Uh,
Hmm.
that's why it was very very valuable things,
Three
and
times, yes. Three
it
times,
has
15
also reached
years.
to the oath ceremony.
Hmm.
Exactly.
It
So
is
how's the
happening.
weather there, sir, at your place? How's the weather?
Weather, it is very scorching. It is very scorching. So, but sky is clear. So overall, it is good.
Sky is clear.
But
No chance of rain.
if I talk about South Bengal, like Kolkata and so South Bengal, it is very much scorching. But where I am living, like near Siliguri, it is less scorching compared to South Bengal. And what about you?
Okay, okay.
in
maybe
Delhi, I think it is very
maybe after
scorching.
rainy season there will be so humid. Humidity will
Hmm.
increase after the raining. So
Hmm.
maybe if the monsoon will come early, then it would be good, because the situation of the summer is very high, very
Hmm.
worst right now.
I think another
In Delhi there is
after
same situation.
hmm,
Yeah,
after monsoon will
in
come.
Delhi
I
there
think
is.
after one month, I think monsoon will come. Then it will be better.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
And Delhi, I think Delhi's weather is very hot and it is scorching.
Very hot,
Hmm.
40 degree. In
40
Delhi there
degree.
is 40-degree temperature everywhere. In Delhi NCR, I'm talking about.
Hmm.
If you
And
are
do
not
you?
working in the AC condition, then there would might be hard
Very.
to survive. Hard
Hmm.
to survive. Yeah. So tell
Hmm.
me
But
something, sir. Tell me something
but
about the situation is Bengal right now. Situation is very good right now. I'm
you
talking
know
about
that
the law and order and
you
some.
are you are active on social media, so you know that now it is good. Only just one murder happened in Bengal. You know that Shubhendu Adhikari's assistant was killed, was shot down by any unknown person. You know that 4 days ago it happened. And apart from that, it is peaceful. New government has come, so
Eh,
all are
yeah,
noticing, all are just waiting for something. Many teachers,
exactly.
many upcoming teachers, they are trying to that when the examination will happen, they are there thinking that okay, and many so overall, all people are focusing on right now new government. They think that yes, I think something will change in say in
Exactly.
education sector, in health sector, something will change.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly, it might be changed. So, sir, I just wanted to know, or I was interested to know about, because I had the study in the past in West Bengal. I had done my BTech from Durgapur, you know.
Durgapur.
So
Wow.
that Durgapur, West Bengal. So I did my BTech. Actually,
So
I left.
how many years have you been there?
I was been like 4 years. I've been invest there
4
in
years you
Durgapur.
spent in
Yeah, yeah.
Durgapur,
I
right?
spent 4 years.
Hmm.
So I just I was aware about every situations there, because the situation is good that time also. That time it was CPM government was there. I'm talking
Okay,
about
so
2010.
okay, 2010.
Yeah,
So it has been 16 years,
2008, 9. Yes.
8, 9
Yeah,
years.
I'm talking about 9. Yes, that time CPM government was there. But everybody respect that time CPM government, because they actually taking care of the poor community there.
Hmm.
What I have learned from there, like the CPM government is providing good facilities to the lower caste people or lower grade people. That's why the people like them. And
Hmm.
after that, the Singur Kand or incidents happened. Then Mamata
Hmm.
Banerjee came into existence after the Tata and Nano car incidents were
Hmm.
there in Singur. Then
Hmm.
after the
You are
Mamata Banerjee
aware of,
was deported that time.
you are very aware about
So
West Bengal situation, about West Bengal politics.
yeah,
You are
yeah,
very
yeah,
aware. And
yeah, yeah.
actually, you are living in Delhi, but actually, your hometown, I think, was another place,
In
like
Bihar.
another state, Bihar. Okay,
Yes, yes. I belong to Bihar.
Bihar is neighbor
I
our
belong to Bihar, sir.
state. That's why you are very aware. Neighbor state.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes. Because I belong
And
to Bihar, near to Darbhanga,
Darbhanga.
right? Darbhanga. Actually, you might heard about. It is the second capital of Bihar after Patna,
Hmm.
Darbhanga. So I
I
belong to
heard.
that place.
I have one
Yeah.
friend who belongs to Darbhanga right now, who is in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Maybe. So
So,
actually, after passed out my high school, I went to West Bengal for my higher studies. I mean, BTech engineering.
mm.
I did from there. Then after I got placed from this college, and I got first job in Gurgaon. Till then, I am just here. Till then to
Okay.
now, I'm in Delhi
So
right now.
how long?
I
How
have
long
total
it
15 years
it
of
has
working
been?
experience.
How long it has been
Yes,
you are in Delhi?
15 years have been completed, sir.
15 years and 4 years you
Yeah.
were in West Bengal. So you are just outside. You do you go to your home,
Yes,
your
yes, yes.
hometown?
I'm just outside from my home since my since my 10th class. You can see.
So
Yeah.
now do you go your hometown very often?
Yes, yes, yes. If any occasion comes when any marriage of any cousins or any brothers, and if any such kind of incidents happen, then I
Hmm.
oftenly go to Bihar also. And I'm
Without
just
issue,
planning to.
without
No?
issue you don't go. You don't have time.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what.
And
Because the kids is also studying here in Delhi, so we have to think all these things. And in summer vacation, I will plan to go there to visit
uh,
my village there.
if you go
So
your village,
we are
your
eagerly waiting
hometown,
for the summer
your
vacation.
hometown, many known person will be there and relative will be there. So
Yeah.
such type of meeting is important. You feel motivated and you feel
Ah,
happy.
actually, I often go to Bihar in Chhat Puja.
Chhat Puja, yes, Chhat Puja is famous in Bihar.
Yeah, Chhat
And
Puja is famous in everywhere, sir. In West Bengal, I have seen that Chhat Puja is
mhm,
celebrated in a
yes,
high
yes,
manner. Yeah,
Chhat Puja is celebrated
everywhere it
in
is
West Bengal
celebrated.
also. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Because many Biharis living out there, and might be some local is also following there. That's why
Yeah,
this
so
this
yes.
festival is very famous all over the world.
Hmm.
Right.
I have heard, I have experience about this Chhath Puja in early morning. So I had a
Yeah.
duty. I had duty because of Chhath Puja at a time. So that's why I experienced it. Like in the morning, early morning, that
Two
uh,
days.
equation
2 days
happened.
facility, 2 days
Happens
festival actually was celebrated. One in at the evening time, and other day in the morning time.
morning time.
So yeah, so this
Many
is the ritual. Yeah,
all
it's a
people
great ritual.
all people fall into water,
Yeah, yeah,
and they or sip something and only just 10 minutes 15 minutes then they get up right from water, and
exactly, exactly.
there would be many shop or such type of thing like a
It's
crowded
kinds
area
of
will be
ritual.
there.
They have people don't. Yeah,
Yes.
so it depends.
And what about your workplace? Like, what about your work? Like, you are working in MNC company. Do you use this language to deal international clients?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm working in MNC companies, so I have to talk with the clients and the suppliers along with my team members, and also sometimes we need to converse with our communicate with our managers, directors. So this language is very
Hmm.
famous. This language is the international language.
Okay, that's why you look
Only
comfortable. And while speaking, you look comfortable. You look energetic.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Actually, I
Uh,
used it, yeah, I use this language while speaking in daily basis. You can say.
Daily basic. And how long
Since
ago did you start? Could you share something
yeah,
about your English? How did you start, and how are you feeling right now? And what type of problem did you face in the initial stage? Could you share something about English?
yeah. So actually, sir, honestly, I just passed out my 10th from Hindi medium school,
Hmm.
right? Then after I went for the preparation of the engineering. Then after I understand that was the value of English language. So that time, like I passed out my 12th in English medium, right, in
Hmm.
CBSE board. And after that, in engineering, everything or every subject was in English. So it was, it was,
At that time,
the
you just
prime language was English.
at
So
that time you
I
started
really,
little by little, right?
yeah, that time I was
Hmm.
just started to, yeah, interact with, chat with the friends, and sometimes the our communication classes was there, so I had to chat or group discussion with our colleagues in our
Hmm.
college. So I had, to discuss with the different topics. Actually the teacher provided us the different topics.
Hmm.
Maybe sometimes we have to describe some situations, right?
Hmm.
And just to describe something in the situations. So in this way, like, we have just
You
communicated.
started.
At that time, since that time, I was in touch with this language.
Hmm.
Then only that we have to gone through the interview process. So this language is very important, like you have to conversation with them, communicate with them, and you have to give answer of these questions in English only. So this language is very the important for every
Hmm.
students to pass out or take out in the job interviews and everything. So since then, like, this language is very handy for me, and I
Hmm.
used it while like taking meeting right now. I'm working as a manager in my company right now. So
Hmm.
sometimes we have to take morning meeting and evening meeting with our team members, and sometimes in mid time we have to interact with our managers, the directors, our senior managers. So we generally talk about the issues of the projects, because we are working on the projects. So ultimately, we have to deliver the project to the clients in time. So we have to make the strategy, planning something,
Hmm.
all the thing. So also we have to do some documentation work as well. So you can say that the reading, writing, or the presentation skills. So these all three skills are like polished while working, right? You can
Hmm.
say. And like, also I'm interacted with the persons and learning some new things. This is my area of hobby, you can say. So that's why
Hmm.
I'm just like
Great.
switch to the YouTube and all, to understand the mindset and to understand different kind of people. So this is the core area of my subject, you can say.
Hmm.
So in
You
this way
meet
we
with
are
people,
working on.
different people, and you can read their mindset. You can control how you can think that how to control them. Not control, just which way if I deliver them, then they can understand easily what I am saying. So you are thinking that, and we in brief, how can I make them understand, right? So you are
Okay.
into that type of project, or so you are into that type of
Yeah. Sir,
meeting.
learning
Great.
is not the destination, it's a journey. That you can't
Hmm.
learn everything in one life.
In one
you
life,
know
yes.
like we have to, like, take different birth in different time.
Hmm.
That you can't learn in one birth.
We have to keep
So people should have
moving.
learned
Hmm.
on daily basis to
Only
learn
they.
something new. Yeah, because
Hmm.
we have one birth.
Yes, yes. So
So this our
in
tip
one
to
life we cannot do all thing. Only just we have to we have to do we have to take one thing, and in this one thing we have to focus, right? So then your intensity will be high. Otherwise, if you do all thing, like you are trying to do all thing, then your intensity will be decreasing.
plus. Yes, you can do more than one thing, but at a time you have to focus in one thing, right?
Hmm.
Just you divide your time for some other work also. Like you can also do two or three
Another
three
work.
tasks, because in
Hmm.
our schooling, we have to learn many subjects in one year,
Hmm.
right? Not only focused on English or Hindi or Urdu or any one subject. We
Hmm.
have focused on different subject,
Different,
but
different.
one at a one time, one subject
Hmm.
at one time. We have to
So
focus.
concentration is important, right?
Concentration is the key. Yes, concentration
Okay.
is the key.
Now I
Likewise,
am
like we are,
speaking.
we are
Now
talking, right? We are
talking.
conversation, we are communication. If we are communicate in daily basis, if we are in, consistent, then only our fluency will increase, right? If we are just taking break while, communication and all, then our communication would be average, will not be more fluent. So for like for you can say that for getting our goals right, we have to work very consistently or in
Hmm.
focused manner, then only we can
Hmm.
achieve our goal.
You are very
Yeah.
focused. You are very focused person. That's why you can concentrate in one work. So, but in this concentration, I am very weak. I can, sometimes my mind goes away. It happens. But because of English, because of meeting people, just I am trying to give my best. It is my main intention to learn this language. It is not my main intention. My intention is to become focused person, to become organized person, and now I am meeting every day, and it is one type of my benefit right now I am getting. I had different
Yes,
type of, I had
right,
different type of.
you're right in your
Hmm,
way. You're right in your way, like, but sir, like, we have to train our mind to understand or to make certain tasks, right? So
hmm,
whatever we want to do, first of all we have to make up our mind, like we have to
hmm,
do it. So
yes,
for example, if you want to awake early in the morning, that you have to make up mind at your night, right? In the night,
hmm,
that we have to wake up in the early in the morning. Then only like our mind is focused on that things, and they will just alarming our mind to wake up in the morning, right?
hmm,
So if you are making up the mindset to understand to actually complete any specific task, then you have to make a plan and a strategical plan, you know
hmm,
that you have to think on this, like how to complete it in a strategic manner, then only you can achieve, sir. Everything can be achieved. Likewise, you are doing two things. You are doing the job of the police, which is very critical job, right? But
hmm,
you are always also focusing on communication, right?
hmm,
So first you have to make up your mind, like you are just saving your time for these things. If you are investing your time don't thinking about this, then how do your communication will increase? So you are
hmm,
just thinking about this, then only you are strategically working on it, then only your work has been completed and your goal would be goal will be finished, right?
setting
So
mindset is the
that
key.
mindset, that to achieve something we have to sacrifice, right?
Hmm.
So without sacrifice we can't achieve anything. So this is my
Yes,
mindset.
yes. Yes, I have learned many things
If we are
from you.
investing our
You are just,
time in
you are,
different things,
you are in,
unproductive things.
you are in MNC company. You are controlling many people. You are, so you are controlling many people, and you are, so many people are under you, working under you. Okay, you are you are working as a manager, so you have lots of work. So I am very glad to join you with you. Okay, because you are just manager. It
Yes,
is
sir.
not a. Hmm,
Sometimes we have to work, sometimes we have to make them work from others, right?
hmm,
So as a manager, we have to, assign some works to our teams, and also monitor them, like how they
hmm,
are working, and in which manner. Sometimes we have to check whether they are working in a good way or not.
hmm,
Is they are following good track or not? Is they are, the following the process or not? So sometimes we have to monitor and give training to them. So
hmm.
this is our responsibility to make them correct, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, the work will not like that.
You are, yes, yes. You are active. If you feel motivated, then you can make another person motivate. Right. So you are
Correct.
feeling motivated and you are very active. You love very much your work. Okay. So that's why you can motivate another person. You can push another person. You fulfill your work. Then you can make another person fulfill their work. Right. So you have that type of ability, capability. So I appreciate your effort. And I appreciate your work, and simultaneously you are spending your time into English related thing, and with me, you are meeting with people. So it is not an easy task because I think you have lots of interest in this matter, meeting with people and connect with someone. Or it may be another state, it may be another country's people. You meet them and you every day you would update yourself, right? So that type of habit you have.
Yeah,
Okay. Hmm.
exactly. Exactly. We have to update according to the situation, according to the technological advancement, that we have
Hmm.
to upgrade. This is the demand of the situation, right? So
Yes,
that's
yes,
why every
yes.
person has to work on this. Yeah. So, and you know that, sir, at our times when I was studying, so there was no such means were available.
Hmm.
Means the source. Right now we have many source to study, many source to innovate the thing, to learning, anything. If you want to learn anything, you can learn from different sources, audio,
Hmm.
video, through the online classes, offline classes. At my time, like, there was no online classes were there, but right
Hmm.
now, you can learn anything online. Everything is,
Online.
world
And it
is
is very also
come
cheap.
come to you.
Online class,
Yes,
online
yes.
course is very cheap compared to offline class, and we should not, don't have to go spend time to go anywhere. So it is one type of very good benefit for this generation.
Yeah. Hello, sir. What's your question?
No, no, I did not ask anything. Okay, another ask
Okay, okay.
question I
Actually,
should.
your voice is like, something
Oh yeah,
suppressed,
it
like,
may be, it may be my headphones
due to
problem.
microphone. Okay,
Hmm.
okay,
Microphone.
okay, okay.
Okay, so uh, it has been 30 minutes. I think it has been 30 minutes. We have crossed our conversation. So another day we will meet. Many things already I have learned
Thank you,
from you.
sir. Like,
Okay,
it's, yeah, we
thank you,
have
sir.
to,
Thank you, Rajnit
run
Gupta,
out
sir.
of some time right now. Yeah.
Hmm.
So we can connect later. Thank you.
Another day,
Thank
another.
you
Thank
for your
you.
time. Yeah,
It is very
yeah.
interesting conversation.
It's
You
nice to talk. It's nice
discuss
to
many
talk to you, sir.
things. Thank you. Thank you.